Ne workia to keta mangano. Ne te flani ka bere ala mbamso da ma flani tonga. Ne bas na muso de flani so. O de ne famu so polo yi. Ne famu so polo yi flani fla so ka bere ala da mana Ameriki. Ube malle la malite Ameriki le. Mari be Afrique continent ko ne. Ka bere ala yo flanu da mana o to ka de jenebu ni sarata. Ko sarata sama ke ni jenebu jalo. Ese jalo ni sama ke flani ya. Sarata sama ke ni jenebu jalo sal ndale Pretoria ilo no e flan to. O flani jamu ya. Flani mu jamu te ke do kelenya. O mane do ko nun to ko sarata keta ni jenebu keta. Ube Afrique mo mat dikasia. O flabe furula. Ndoko de wuro kya to keta. Ok? Je ne suis pas jumelle. Ma mère n'a jamais porté grossesse de jumelle. Elle a fait 5 enfants. Je suis la deuxième enfant de ma mère. Et j'ai 3 siblings de son père et sa mère. Et mon frère, mon grand frère, c'est même mère, pas même père, c'est mon demi-frère. Même mère, pas même père, différents frères. Ok? Ninkoroke, ambe balma kerdo, ambe balante fari la, faut mon demi-frère. Comme mon coach koroki fari fangelen chete. Comme na ka fara ko maraka ko fu chama ki koroke, ngoni koroke kuna kunte kulushi bula. Ne koroke o banga dugo madre ka kulushi bonina. Ne koroke re ni Umaru madre ka kulushi bonna ni ne koroke di mbagale koroke. Ne furla chemi masuna ni farda la Jibril ka bajakte we ne chedi. Wana ku kulushi bona fente bola. Ka furu Mamadou Sissoko ma. Ne jamta Sissoko ne to ko woro katu keta. Ko safi jamate ko woro Sissoko na le kella ko ma safi jamate kame Mamadou Sissoko. Jeli madi Sissoko demuso oro Sissoko di ma. Ne ko makaya to ko ele to ko ma ele man jam male man to ko de woro katu be ko woro katu keta jamay Sissoko jamay ne jamta Sissoko ne jamne keta ko ne chede keta ko ne jamay Sissoko e galoni ne yara ne keta ne chede Sissoko oro Sissoko fana e Sissoko de afa Sissoko nta ba ko ne jamudo safi jabate kambe oro Sissoko di ma ne to ko te orozi kambe ala inda mo wole ko orozi to ko de woro katu me wole ko woro katu. Hey, the whole entire world, nobody ever calls me Rosie. My name is Urukiatu. My last name is Nasisoko. Chajam Nakintara da or touching. Rosie Sissoko, the singer that sing with the Safi Jabate together. Safi Jabate says she doesn't have a good behavior, then they separate. They used to be together for 20 years. I am Urukiatu Keta, I'm not a Rosie. Okay? Motherfucker. My husband was a Sissoko, nobody called me Sissoko. Everybody calling me Urukiatu Keta, Urukia Keta. Nobody calling me Rosie Sissoko. If they say Madam Sissoko, that's not true. People call me my own name, Urukia or Rosie. No, not Rosie. People don't call me Rosie. People call me my own name. People call me Urukiatu or Urukindare Gumfilla. Oma Moga Fumako Urukiatu be a go Urukia. Mokashima Delegane will go Rosie Sissoko. Mokashima Delegane will go Madam Sissoko. Mogo Bene will entoy la Urukiatu Urkia. Urkia Dumia Mako Makeba Kona to Galuni. Outra Urkia Dumia do Casula Mala. Kako ko poivron Urkia. Neta barakela New Jersey ko ne subaka ko ampa ko mo me kasolo ko ipangana nena barakela bo nyoko na boka na kabulika biri ko sa mara boka tu ya lugo ko mo me kasolo ngone te kasolo to ko de wuro kya tu kita bo ngolo ko wuro kya njam te dumia okay e bintara ka to bo ko yurula intala o mani mala jani suro bi ba ya de fa ne be America samu kan dur ne be ade okay ne maliani ko ne nana ko musangare ko e sandale kat ne me katne kasolo nya video folam go karanga sokare kon nan la Prospect 15 Street in Prospect Brooklyn New York ana 15 Street man ha ana 15 nata loge manata ne loge Brooklyn yani ne école 14e Street la l'an 2000 et l'an 2000 de l'an 2003 14 Street Union Square 2nd Avenue. That was attending a comprehensive high school. Okay, I never live over there. I went to comprehensive high school in 2001 2002 2003 2000. Then I graduated from there to went to the college l'an 2001 2002 2003. Then I took the regents. Then after that, I changed my nationality to the Mauritanian American. I was born in Bamako, Mali. Even this morning, I say that. Hôpital Gabriel Touré. J'ai double la naissance malienne. Si je viens au Mali, c'est chez moi. Je ne viens pas rendre visite à Oumoussangare. Je suis une Malienne 100%. Si je viens au Mali, je suis venue dans mon pays natal et mon continent natal de l'Afrique. Quand Famata Diawara est venue, qu'elle est naissance de la Côte d'Ivoire, alors je ne suis pas Famata Diawara. Et quand elle était venue dans la maison de Moussangare, on n'est pas venus ensemble. Quand j'ai ouvert mon salon à Peoria, Illinois, Urukia, Africain, c'est Moussangare, qu'est-ce qui te montre ça? Depuis que j'ai ouvert mon salon, let me say that part in English and French and Bambara. Because in the United States, j'ai payé des taxes en Amérique ici. Okay? The tax that I pay since when I own the shop in Peoria, Illinois. Rokiatu Keta. Rokiatu is my name. Keta is my last name. Keita is my family last name. It's my father last name. Keita is my last name. I pay my income tax in Peoria, Illinois, and I register officially, legally my business in Springfield, Illinois, for 7 consecutive years. 2012, 2013, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay? Then I closed. It was 2 different. Then I went to reopen different area. Then I closed it. I got married, but I didn't have no home to sleep. Okay? With a mixed child, Arabic and French. Okay? They say the Muslim religion is forbidden to kiss your husband. I said that's not true. The motherfucker, the Christian people know how to fuck with the husband, and the Muslim people also fuck out the husband. No children will be born without getting the fuck. Any religion you believe, you have to fuck your wife, and your husband, you have to fuck your husband to get it. Then the Christian Islam, ko Muslim te ada don cedala. Al Christian fait dente soro ni jato ate. Al Islam fait kenen dente soro ni jato ate. Ou bien cega nga muso biya de ke muso nga che biya de ke wangu da do nyonda la ko juro nyonda deme soro te lubi. Batari no. Christian for Islam ka ni ma jato ake de dulu. Christian and Muslim, if we don't fuck, you don't get the children. Right? Alright? Maramba says she have a dear name of Maria, she got children, she got the fuck. That's why she got the children. She never gave a miracle child. She got 2 children. Okay? That's why she got it from the folk. I'm a miracle de elle a fait un rapport sexuel Mariamba pour donner 2 enfants avec Bingini tous les 2. Bingini aussi a fait un rapport sexuel pour donner 3 enfants, 4 enfants. Ou bien 2 différents foyers, 4 enfants. Maramba n'a pas marié premier enfant, elle a fait enfant bâtard. Deuxième mari. Maintenant premier mari, elle a fait son prince. Son prince s'appelle Solomon Sissoko. Mon neveu c'est Moussa Sissoko. I want to get Nicola, don't need to go Percy. I don't want to Percy the Mogoy. Percy Coro de Comasa Modi. Call les petits fils de roi. Ok? Anya Massa don't Anya Kita la Cody. The dog get dentro de Percy. I told the Musa Kita. Maramba dentro de Percy. I told the Solomani Sissoko, Kofla dentro of Kility. Solomani Sissoko, Musa Kita Kilite. Who flavor will go Percy Kilite. No one has it on never to Percy. Maramba for them to Anima. After them, Balama Kema. Abu Sitting so many jam Sissoko. Ne fucket and bucket and don't go Abdul Habuketa. Maramba to Abu Sissoko. Abu Sissoko. Ne dogani to get Abdul Sissoko. Ne dogani to get Abdul Wahabu. Abdul Wahabu Keita. Abdul Wahabu Keita. Ne dogani to get Abdul Wahab. Niko Mokomako Abdul Iko Jonge. Of my go jonga ko alaka barakelo amana ko Abdul Wahab dunya maram masaka barakelo demun so la kadola al niko mo ko urukia e mana foko jom so niko urukia to ma ko alaka barakelo. Okay, joni ga jo ab ma ala ube alaka barakila ok ma urukia to de avon ma ko royatu Jibril kata mo so ko to ko Arabia Jibril ma fa fura de ko royatu Jibril nera to ko wurka tun to ko mata mo la fay kuran dale kan to ko man tembulu to ko mama ni America. Okay, ne wala ni bicha sampila ne sanfla ne tela kay ne maliani to ko mata mo la rek ne fay kuran dale ka dendi ala di. Okay, ne to ko ni fene to ko de Abdul Wahab to ko mata mo la wala bintu to ko de ko kure ba ya to ko mo mar bu kata mu so ko man to ko bindale me ko man ni ay no yi ma ko bintu to ko mata mo la to ko dala angara mer Mama itu kata leme, ini kau yang sahih juga tidak nasi kau tak tahu mana kita kau tak kau buat. Kau tak mana kau buat kau iri buat, kau iri jarak nasi, kau iri ban jarak nasi, kau nanti serupa ini benda. Kau mana banding? Ini kau tiba mana? Okay? Ani benda. Kau tunda lagi ada kamar bertadi. Antara kau ini mau bersih kau tak ada. Kau mana ada benda kau ni? Kau ni duit rumah ini ya kalau kau yang ni bukan ya sepuluh kalau kita boleh lakukan job mana duk kami sebab ani dukum do ani shaky pergi kat kami tak mandi duk kami sebab ani dukum do ani shaky aku mau inspektor oi kartu kene ni okay ok mandi cuma kata okay yang no nek me ibe sel kata yang no korom yang okay madam ne no kata ko flabu shi ka sa mata olu ba sa kata ya olu ka yo ata sa yo sa olu kata se ko flabu shi ni sa flabu shi ka ne bi ta library la yo sani ka se jardin jolo sigi mo ni da kada library yo ka abida mo ko be kata ne library yo ka ta ko ya ni ko ni ko kata ko ya Okay? Ni mami bina polini gitora ka living Sunday ya maklu benya shi kata. Okay? Ni mami bina lega bo library la empire abin abenya shi kata. Ni mami kata ye kata ye male ni mami kata boy ye fe. Sula buji ka mami benya shi kata. Okay? Voilà. Donc Koshitane kara yoro koshitane silla koshitane ile maka kene ne ko a'udhu billahi min ash-shaytani rajim. You're doing the enterprise, right? Trying to break my stuff. You're doing the enterprise. This is a big space enough. I understand and speak English and speak English, and I know this is the proper house. All right? When I built my home in Africa, I lived in the US for 25 consecutive years. They say, Fugade, Tabarake. I said, I was working. I'm in a court. I have a court in the 14th of this month. I don't live in a court. I don't live here. I'm not in a jail. I don't live in a jail. I live in my home in 15th Street. I come to sell. Then let me tell people, she's in a jail. She never works. Oh, she always is in a jail. Oh, she's a criminal. Her mother say, go to work. She never worked. I say, all the money I built the villa and the building, villa for my mother and building for myself in Africa, I got it up from the job. And the business that I opened, I got it up from. And the school pay my financial aid pay for my school fare. Then when I finish, I ran blessed from the job. I did not prostitute to get it. I did not sell drugs to get it. I don't sell marijuana to get it. I don't sell Newport. I will never sell Newport. I don't prostitute. I'm not a lesbian. I am not a homosexual. I also work in a PCA. Because when you say that, you want to say I work, but they stop me when you keep doing that. People is surprising everybody. Right now, I'm not a job, but I have a food stamp for the temporary before I can restart my work. Okay? Just like I usually do. This is not my first time to get a food stamp. I first obtained the food stamp back in 2002. When I first closed my business, okay, in the Bronx, New York, at my age of 20, Grand Concourse 17, all right? And I was attending in a comprehensive high school before I went to college teacher and the university. I'm not a delinquent because when you say that I've been to 2 months in Africa and you tell people I'm not, people will think I was a prostitute or selling the drug or selling the marijuana or Newport or have a cash out in a that time I never go to a casino. There was no casino in New York City. They just got that recently. This is a new, all right? And that time I don't go to casino in New Jersey. Never happened before. This is the court. That's why I have to do this video in front of the court in Livingston and Smith in Brooklyn, New York. All right? So you can know that this bag is not for Arabia's bag. This is my bag. I came with this from my home. Okay? I do the bag wholesale. Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Baby Fat. Okay? All the mark, Gucci. Alright? If you buy the wholesale, I do wholesale. If you buy the detail, I do detail. I did not steal this and come and resell it. No way. Alright? I used to own the hair trading shop. And I used to do the bag wholesale and the shoes. I am not a thief. I'm doing that. This is the court home. That's where I'm pointing right there. I'm doing that in front of there. Alright? I am not a criminal. I am not a suspect. I never joined the crime. I never joined the suspect. And I never killed somebody. I am Rukia Tuke. People call me Ruk. I never give a birth. I left Africa when I was a virgin woman. Never have a sex before. I started getting married in here. I got married in Africa in 1987 at my age of 6. They did not, but I did not see my monthly period. You have to see your monthly period. When you grow up, I saw my monthly period at 18 to go to your husband's home. So my 18 age, I came here. 18, between 18 and 19. So when I came here, the bride price, nothing bride price. The ring, the aluminum ring and the blanket they give to my ex-husband. And tell me to stand here and find a different husband. 2011, I got married here. 2014, I divorced with the GB Kawajate. He was in Africa, Imam family, but he was still there. I was going to bring him. 2014, I divorced. 2009, I get married with Mumuni. Mumuni with Rabo from Burkina Faso. Okay? He's African. Okay? Then his family said, Geneva, what I do this is not the same family. They said, Burkina Faso, Burkina Faso can enter Burkina. The whole entire Burkina, you must not vote and then I divorce. I never have a drama with the women, but I never water. Before I get married in 2006, when I have a discussion with her, people think that I must not go to Burkina because I discussed with Geneva. Then I divorce. But Geneva was not my wife. I'm not a Geneva wife. Geneva was not my husband. I was not a Geneva husband. So why should I divorce because of her? She's a female. I'm female. Okay? So what the value she has then for the female? Second, then when I finished that, I get married in 2011 with Jiri Kabajo. 2010, I mean 2011, 12, 13 when I moved to Illinois. Then 2014 I divorced, he couldn't come here because when I married to my brother, that's not my husband. He didn't pay me. I did that because we have a same mother. He told me to help me, I helped him before, he wasn't for free help, he never paid me. My brother is still there. He never paid me, that's my brother from the same womb. We come from the same woman's stomach. Then they say the shaitan is going to follow me because they bring your husband. That's not my husband, it's my brother. Immigration people. You tell them before we have set up. And then you test it. And I'm posting it. And this is the courthouse I'm standing there. It's going to surprise you. You've been doing that for a long time. Okay? My brother came in 2008, 16 years ago. Mon frère est venu, ça fait, à l'an 2000, ça fait 16 ans. Tout dernièrement, ils ont dit ça à les Maramba et les Amnataba. Donc, ils ont pris ça, tout le monde créé pour rien. Je ne suis pas venue par adopter. On se connaît même. Je suis là, ça fait 25 ans. Voilà. This bag is my bag for sale. It's not for them. None of these Africans around give this one for sale. None of this shop. I did not get it. When I buy the wholesale bag, sometimes I go to I order in China, in Dubai, okay, in Africa, wholesale, international and legally, officially. Then they will deliver by the UPS or the Amazon. Alright? And I also sell the clothing, the praying clothing, the hijab and abaya, the long dress nadan and abaya, and the blood cover is the hijab, the chapelet, the tasbih, I sell the tasbih. And I have a lot of carpet. I mean, a lot of carpet in my home. The tapis, je vends les tapis. Je vends les tapis. J'ai beaucoup de tapis à la maison. Et la fois dernière, elle n'avait pas de tapis, elle a prêté les tapis. Je n'habite pas à Canal City. I don't live in Canal City. I live in Brooklyn, New York. Okay? Je suis une femme. Je ne suis pas une homme. Je ne me promène pas avec ta petite. Ok? Une femme, tu dois prier à la mosquée. Un homme, tu dois aller prier à la mosquée. Un homme est... Je ne suis pas homosexuel, je ne suis pas transgender. Je ne suis pas un homme transformé de femme. Je ne suis pas homosexuel. Je suis une femme. Je suis une femme. Je ne suis pas obligée d'aller à Djouma. Je suis une femme. C'est les hommes qui sont obligés d'aller à Djouma. Chaque vendredi, tous les hommes musulmans doivent fermer leur boutique pour aller à Djouma. Je suis musulman, je suis une femme. Je ne suis pas obligée d'aller à la mosquée. Je peux prier chez moi. Et si je pars, je ne suis pas interdit d'aller aussi. Mais je ne suis pas obligée. I am not obligated to go to the masjid. I am a female. And if I go, I'm not forbidden to go there too. I can go if I want to. It's a choice for female. I'm not a transgender. I'm a female. Okay? I am not a transgender female. And I am not a homosexual female. I was born female. She does Friday. She doesn't go to the masjid. She doesn't go to the masjid. I went to the masjid. I will work out together in too many Fridays, in too many different masjids. People know me. Africa and US. Okay? In the Bronx, the College Avenue, the masjid that used to be in 2001, 2002, 2003, when I was living in Grand Concourse. Don't make sure you're not kicking my phone.
And then even if
alright? Because it's a space, big space enough. Excuse me. I'm making my phone.
the doctor had a motor.
Make sure you're not kicking accidentally on my phone because you're doing that. Go over there behind the phone. Alright? You playing the bullying motherfucking big bullying game with people. Thinking you are open eyes. Right? Do I look like a naive to manipulation surgery against people? I grew up here. I came here when I was 19 years old. I'm 42. If I left my country at 19 and now I'm 14. So what the year I spent in US, I did not spend here. I understand and understood English. All right? Somebody that come to sing in here, she never ended. Maramba doesn't speak English. Oh yeah, anybody. Oh yeah, anybody. Bear don't want to feel doing. That's a yamena. What bear don't want to have any. Kalani Kuron the killing, Kalani Kuron the killing, Nick Kalano, Kuron. Okay? Voilà. Petit pour me y a fait bien. Il n'a pas petit de qu'on peut vous dire. Vous m'avez dit que Pinta, Pinta Rambo qui s'est capable de faire. Après tout, on a fait une investigation, recherche. Tapi kan saya mau bosin mau bosin. Kok mandian tu komanda bosin dia. Yo kele kaya kalau ni. Kaya kalian kau menyang aku menyang kau ye kali. Kau mali pitiki be kau maram buat kau nak kau buat zaman kau sebab kau ye kali. Ada orang barak yang bosan ni romna, kau dah kumpul, kau bosan ni orang dah kumpul. Bosan ni orang soni kele soni pitin lo. Kau ye war kau kau ye. Mali pitiki me bene era fakir atelier de tabanan. Aparan kita eli tayari, kau bukan ni ulung sudah dibuka. Kau dia maramba kabla kita, kau dia abusi kabla kita, bingini cek kabla kita. Ni suami. Kau dia malu kau dia kau yang kau nyari lah kau dia mana ni. Kau yang ada ya. Ada cek ini kalau. Kalau berasi kalau cek kerja kalau cek pantul kalau kata naik kan dorang pergi gabung atau malah apa dia makin bantu. Abang tengah pergi gabung, abang tengah pergi Kongo. Kongo para zaman ni fakir ni malah kampung. Nama kita apa? Okay? Ayah Francis dia kapur, okay? Aceh kan nama sana kamu suka. Kami ala yang dah mata ini. Negara yang serba negara umar. Tapi kadang-kadang kita malam tu okay abu kita. Kita boleh. Soalnya umat mana. Untuk kami kadang nanti ada rasa bila kau ini fai, mana fai. Ini doa jangan bagi dia fai. Atau kau Abdullah Wahab. Ini ramai dia sangka tu dan tua. Itu kau dia umur jatuh kita ni bila sangka. Itu kau dia umur jatuh kita ni bila sangka tu benteng. Itu kau ni solat tu benteng. Kau ini fai. Kau mahu Al-Quran ni fai. Kabra na agenda tenga ko ni fai ko ni ka ko mai sa mo ka ko ni fai ni wala ka sa na ka mo ka wala ka ko nai pala ko o ma kani ko ne fara mo fa den no kan ni international minna sa ka ko hande hospital gabro to ko ka international minna sa ka ko ai ata gele ai fara ni mali okay ne ka ko nan ko delu ne shimbla ya ko mo wala do ne mo na mais les chiffres pas me sont aller à voilà ok Oumou Sangaré ni Khadija Aïdara ni ka parti ni tara korna bi sigi tutu ninga ho oui mo ko bidon to ko da woro kia mo ko bidon to ko da Oumou en pensant que ko Oumou Sangaré ko e salon dale ko kadnima Oumou Sangaré ma delika salon dale kadnima nyore fo nyene kabir kuma dam nena wonya nga salon dale pure ilo na woro kia tu ketare mak ali Oumou maka ko mamna nere ko maka ke woro kia Sangaré unra no ko kata mo ko war jurta ko ene ni taru ko Oumou Sangaré to kam ne kana kabla ko Oumou me Sangaré ko taka toujours woro kia def me salon nga woro kia tu ketare me salon nga impose na ne let me say that part. When I first opened the shop was Oumou and the salon name was Urokia Tuketa. Officially, legally in the US in the Springfield. That's where I pay the tax. Okay? I was investigating against them. Okay? J'étais en train de faire investigation contre eux. Ils ont fait avec 30 000 dollars de Sarafina à Chicago. Je ne connais pas Sarafina. Je n'ai jamais vu Sarafina. Qu'est-ce que c'est Sarafina qui l'a fait RVP de Côte d'Ivoire? Je n'ai jamais mis mes pieds au Côte d'Ivoire. Je suis une Malienne 100%. Ma mère est née à Dabou, Côte d'Ivoire. Je suis née au Mali car mon père est malien. Je n'ai jamais mis mes pieds au Côte d'Ivoire. Ok? 30 000 dollars à l'an 2010. Ça s'est passé à l'an 2007. L'an 2007. L'an 2008. Ils ont fait avec 30 000 dollars l'an 2008. 30 000. Urokia Sangaré de la Côte d'Ivoire et la Philadelphia, la femme d'Ibrahima Koulibaly. Penda Fofana. Aïcha Traoré n'était pas avec eux. Et Fatim Sissoko et Korga. Oh, Korga. Korga, c'est Koroboro. Korga, Urokia Sangaré et Penda Fofana. Ils ont fait avec 30 000 dollars chacun. Ils ont fait tontine. 10 dollars chacun. Les trois ont pris, ils ont fait avec l'argent des gens. Depuis l'an 2008 jusqu'à nos jours d'aujourd'hui, tous les jours il y a guerre. Que c'est forcé que mon nom c'est Urokia Sangaré ou c'est... Je dis que je suis Urokia Tuketa. Quand on te bien, bien que pour les qu'on a signé bien Urokia et tout. Ne veut le Urokia tout le monde Urokia. Ne jamais te Sangaré. Moi jago ko ne bola nu ka wari ko ma wori ka to ko dande ne kelingi wori ka to ko kele me ka dugu ko fa ka be demli buta mo ko male wayi ko ene yere de okma wori ka sise be 125 ans au lieu ivoirien de ne ba tere muso wori ka sise be quartier mal la tarawele la ka du ko no le utire la ka duba ko na la quartier mal la luanzela ale de muso to ko Aminata Sisi modèle ni a de muso on ne dogo ke de fly ndogo ke be sur la 1983 Ami Cissé sur la 1983 Orokia Cissé sa première fille est née en 1983 Orokia Cissé est née en 1964 ma propre mère Salimata Keita est née en 62 je suis Orokia Keita je suis née en 1981 c'est pas la même ok naka ko ban ko Orokia Cissé utaka ta ivoirien ko Orokia Cissé bo ki joko ni me malla e kele okma Cissé la ka mo mebe Orokia to ma day oh na bora aw ka du ko na la ko di wari dunia Cissé la ka be ma tere ka Orokia to ko do ko du ko okma kan yere ke bagan jibene ke la luma inofe ne Keita de Orokia Keita be America ne te ko be ba do ya ou bien ne to ko de Orokia to Keita bo ngole ko Orokia Keita ok Keita la ka dankele ne fa ka duye ni mo ko mi den to ko da ko Orokia jagwa ni Keita jam na ke Keita ou bien la to ni fato ka bana mo do ko okma ya yara de jugement cour du day pour ko ka do ko ne ma tere ka ya yara de jugement ya ne tribunal day pour ko ka ne ta tribunal na yante ka bere la na ma de ka duya mais ni kera Brooklyn ni wani ni ke tribunal dalla pour ko ka don ka bere ala na ma do criminal na ma do suspect ko ne nga war joko time ko ye kaluni ka bere ala na ma shumeli ke ok sala 2021 nga war bla ko ne wota kasno la kasno yara kun datu no when it was the COVID-19 in 2020 to 2021 the whole entire US business was closed when I sent my money from the PCA job and the unemployment they say it was the casino money I never win in the casino never nobody in the casino before give me even 500,000 cash to deposit in my bank account it never happened $500 never when I withdraw 21,000 they say I win that from casino that's a lie that's the official check the official check from my bank account in the Capital One Bank because I work in a PCA job from the house called Home Care every week they pay me sometimes $850 sometimes $600 it depends how many days I work $650 sometimes $850 a week every week I get my paycheck so when I combine them together okay then I want to withdraw one big official check the official check from the bank it did not come from the job it did not come from the boyfriend that check did not come from the casino it came from the Capital One Bank in 125th Street